Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we will take a look at this Whirlpool freestanding electric range. We will show you how to remove and replace your door seal. Now, let's begin your repair. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. The tools you will need for this repair is a set of needle nose pliers and a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. To access your door seal, first open the door. Now, the main reasons why you'd be replacing a door seal is purely cosmetic. Sometimes when they get hot, they can press in. It will cause warm air to seep out. It could be ripped, caught on the door. Any reason like that would be a reason to replace a door seal. To remove it, you will have to grab firmly. If you go around the edges, you can feel where there's hard clips that press into the actual frame of the unit. Just pull out, grab it right where it's hard, pull out, and just keep going around the perimeter. Some of them may be stuck. You'll have to weave the wire out of the frame. If this happens, use a pair of needle nose pliers to grab it and pull it out. Weave out the bottom and set it aside. To install your new door seal, start at one corner and just firmly press in with your first clip. Do the opposite side to line it up. Now go around the perimeter and reinstall the remaining clips. Once you have the door seal in place, twist on the bottom and start to feed in the door seal into the hole on the bottom. You may want to use a screwdriver or something small to help feed it in. Do the same on the opposite side. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.